Hello learners. We will have our new lesson for today. Are you ready? Very good. Our lesson for today is ratio and proportion. So, what is ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two values expressed as a quotient. For example, a class has 20 girls and 25 boys. The ratio of girls to boys is 20/25, or written as 20:25. This ratio can also be expressed as an equivalent fraction to 4/5 or 4:5. Another example. During Sportsfest, Abby had 320 pesos, while Carla had 480 pesos. If they spent 80 pesos each for their snacks, what is the ratio of their money left? In this problem, Abby had 320 pesos, and Carla had 480 pesos. They spent 80 pesos each for their snacks. The question is, what is the ratio of their money left? To solve this problem, first we are going to deduct 80 pesos each on their money, because they spent it for snacks. So it will be 320 minus 80, and 480 minus 80. So their money left is 240 pesos, and 400 pesos. Now let us find the ratio of these two numbers, 240 and 400. To find the ratio of these numbers, we are going to divide it by 80. Because 80 is their GCF, or greatest common factor. Then it will become 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3, and 400 divided by 80 is equal to 5. Therefore the ratio of their money left is 3:5. Another example. A jeepney can carry 20 passengers. How many similar jeepneys can carry 360 passengers? In this problem, one jeepney can carry 20 passengers. So it can be written as one jeepney is to 20 passengers. The question is, how many jeepneys can carry 360 passengers? To answer this problem, the first thing to do is to write 1:20 is equal to n is to 360. N stands for the number of jeepney. Then we are going to do cross multiplication. So it will be 1 multiplied by 360 and 20 multiplied by n. Then it will become 360 over 20n. Now we are going to divide 360 by 20. So 360 divided by 20 is 18. So therefore, 18 jeepneys can carry 360 passengers. So now let's have one more example. A civic organization donated 3,540 boxes of canned goods to flood victims. If each box had 24 cans, how many canned goods were donated in all? In this problem, one box is equal to 24 canned goods. The question is, how many canned goods were donated if there were 3,540 boxes? To solve this problem, the first thing to do is to write 1:24 is equal to 3,540 is to n. N stands for the number of canned goods. So we are going to do cross multiplication. Then it will be 1 multiplied by n, and 24 multiplied by 3,540. Then it will become 1n is to 84,960. Therefore, 84,960 canned goods were donated. So now I guess you can already solve a problem. Try this one. The ratio between boys and girls on the class is 2:5. If there were 6 boys in the class, how many are girls? That's all for today. See you next time.